What's up, guys? Today we're just going to be doing track riding because there's not much to film, and it's pretty cold out here in Texas. Colder than this is probably one of the coldest times I've been here this year. It's like in the 40s. I mean, that's not that cold, but still, it's Texas. It's not supposed to be cold. But yeah, we're just going to be doing some track riding, try and get some entertainment in for y'all. Good content. Ooh, let's go in here. Also, after my crash, if y'all watched the recap, my bike's been acting up a little bit weirder, so I don't know what's that all about. Whoops. I can't jump any of those. I don't. Ooh, the track's kind of not very good. Oh, giant bird. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's pretty close to GoPro though. And there's another one. Shift up. Old jump. Big old berm. Big jump right here. I can't jump this. It's like super far. Giant hill down. Ooh. Over here. In the woods now. I mean, we've been in the woods for a minute, but still. Oh, I can't do no jumps. I mean, there's a tabletop over here that I could probably hit, but I can't clear it because these are all like for big bikes. Might turn it into a pit bike track though. Oh, that's deadly. What the hell? Giant branch just trying to kill me right on that berm. Gotta get rid of that for sure. Yeah. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Almost actually crashed out there right there. Ow, damn it. My foot got stuck. I'm so rusty, I haven't drove the track for so long. So bumpy. Ooh, bumps. Alright, we need to go this way. Jump. Oh. Trying to step down. We're gonna jump. Make sure the GoPro's not falling. Backwards on the track. Jump below. Oh, that sound. My phone's still on. I'll pick it up. Here, let's go this way. No, let's not go this way. I totally didn't know that was gonna be like that. I totally did, actually, though. Little donut to turn around. Okay, we can hit this jump pretty good. Gotta get a run up though. Oh! Y'all don't really get to see much off-roading, so I thought this would be pretty interesting. Oh! Messed up that berm really bad. Alright, let's hit this jump. Oh my gosh. And do not get killed by that branch. Oh! We need to make some pit bike jumps. So we can actually jump. So I can actually have a landing. Not just clap the bike out. Alright, we'll hit the roots one more time. Try and clear some. Oh, ouch. Oh, do not even get close to that. Alright, let's go to here. Do some road wheelies. And call it quits. I have a buddy. Hello there, my friend. I'm gonna drop you off right there. Alright. Well, let's see if I can use this brake, my new brake. Last time didn't turn out so well. If you can see that, I don't know if I can turn my head enough. But, look, the fender. I'm scared to do one-handers. I was like so good at it. I'm scared now. I'm wiped out. There ain't no being scared. Gotta do it. Touched it. I used to be able to touch the end of it, but can't really do that anymore. Going down. Whoa. Oh, she's bogging. Come on, old Bessie, I need to do a valve adjustment to her. That's why I haven't been out putting out much videos. Don't really ride her as much because I need valve adjustment, but I haven't had the time to go to my local bike store to get oil. Because I'm pretty sure you need oil to change it. Because you got to drain the oil to adjust the valves. Let's see if we can do a good jump on here. I always over jump this driveway. Got to just go slow. Oh, kind of did it, yes. Good stuff. Alright. Well, it's just a little shorter video out today. I don't know what I was planning on this video. Actually, I planned it all on the track. So I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, you know the drill. Like, subscribe if you're not already. You don't have to though, I just enjoy y'all being here. But it's free and you can always change your mind later. And then also, if you want to join a dirt bike community, that's pretty cool. My Discord is linked in the description. Feel free to join that. And then you can go follow my Instagram and my TikToks. And that's about everything if you want to follow me on all of them. Join the Discord though, it's pretty fun up in there. So yep, you know the drill. Peace out, boys. See y'all next time. Dude, guys, look at this dude right here. See him? See him right there? Right there on that bike. That shadow is my riding buddy right there. Pretty cool dude right there. Let's see if we can pop it up. Oh no, he's disappearing in the shade. Oh, he actually did it. Oh, look at him. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he is wheeling. Oh, shoot, dog. Nice. Fish roam that. Alright, bye, y'all.